High-performing fleets don't just track repairs. They identify recurring operational failure patterns. The real problem is fragmented workflows. A technician finishes a repair, but the status never reaches operations in time. Vehicles return to service with incomplete history, leading to repeat failures caused by poor documentation. Maintenance approvals stall because critical conversations are scattered across calls and personal chats. Parts inventory might exist, but without visibility, it's impossible to see which assets are repeatedly consuming them. Standard schedules exist, but downtime clustering destroys your utilization and creates invisible bottlenecks. Mature operations move past drowning in notifications and focus on actionable priorities. They analyze downtime cost trends, vendor performance, and reliability rankings to drive turnaround. The fleets improving maintenance in 2026 aren't necessarily working harder. They're removing operational friction.